Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VirtualBox 7.1.6 on Debian 12 operating systems. But the process is same on all Debian operating systems. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to VirtualBox official website, that is virtualbox.org. Hit enter, then click on download, then click on Linux distributions. For Debian 12 operating systems, you have to click on this Debian 12, but for Debian 11, you have to click on this one. So click on Debian 12 because I am on Debian 12 operating system. See, once we click on, see, it started downloading the Debian package and its size is 111 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now go to terminal, open terminal, cd, downloads, ls. See here we have the VirtualBox Debian package. We have to install it, but before installing them we have to install following dependencies: sudo apt install. I will keep this command in the video description. Hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter, remove the last one. I will keep this command in the video description. Hit enter, type and hit enter, Ctrl A. Now install it. Sudo dpkg -i, then give VirtualBox or virtual, give the tab to autofill entire Debian package name. Hit enter. See, we got this error, so it depends on this one. So install this one as well. So copy it. Sudo apt install, paste it, hit enter. Now install VirtualBox. See, this time we haven't received any errors. We have successfully installed. Ctrl A. Now go to activities, show applications, go to the last. See here we have the Oracle VirtualBox. Click on it. Let me maximize it. Now go back. Now if you come to this download page, now we have to install this VirtualBox extension package. So select this, accept and download. See, download started. Its size is only 21 megabytes. Download completed. Just click on it. Then select this install. Then select the I agree. Come to the bottom. Then click on I agree. Now provide the password of root account or sudo account. See, now it is installing, successfully installed. ls, these files are not recorded anymore. rm, give Oracle, give the tab, hit enter. rm, give the, hit enter. ls, see, you have cleared the space. Okay, if you want to create virtual machines, just click on new or machine and select new, either is fine. Then you have to provide all these details and you have to attach the ISO images. Okay, also verify the version, about help, about, and see here we have installed 7.1.6. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install VirtualBox 7.1.6 on Debian 12 operating systems. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.